You know, I told the Lord this year's my year. I told God, Lord, I not only want to be a preacher, but I want to be a reacher. I want to reach out and get some soul, some dope addict, some dope peddler, some rock and roll hustler, and pull them into the cross. Can I get a witness here tonight? Yeah. If you know that God is real, say yes.
Precision instruments show the skilled mechanic the condition of each unit. Compression and cylinder balance for smooth running, distributor and ignition timing, a road test, when needed, helps to check the running condition of all parts of your car.
That was very interesting.